Unleash your creativity, upcycling cans into amazing storage solutions. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be unleashing your creativity with this exciting and educational video on upcycling cans into amazing storage solutions. We're diving into the wonderful world of upcycling, showing you how to transform those empty cans into stylish and practical storage solutions. Get ready to unleash your inner DIY enthusiast and create amazing organizers that are both eco-friendly and budget-friendly. Transforming empty cans into a folk art spoon holder is easier than you think. This project adds a touch of rustic charm to your kitchen while keeping your spoons neatly organized. It's a fantastic way to showcase your creativity and add a personal touch to your home decor. Simply bolt the cans securely to a repurposed cutting board. For easy wall mounting, attach a sturdy hanger to the back. Now you have a unique and functional piece of art that celebrates sustainability and style. Tired of the dreaded junk drawer? Tuna cans to the rescue. These little containers are perfect for creating small, organized compartments within your drawer. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a streamlined, efficient space. Safety first. Always use a clean-edge can opener to ensure smooth edges, protecting your fingers from any sharp surprises. This simple step makes a world of difference in creating safe and user-friendly organizers. Make tidying up fun for the little ones with this clever storage solution. Attach magnets to the bottom of the cans and stick them to a steel cookie sheet. This creates an interactive and accessible storage system for crayons, pencils, chalk, and other small items. Kids will love the novelty of sticking and unsticking their supplies, making cleanup time a breeze. Plus, it's a great way to encourage independence and responsibility in managing their belongings. Elevate your wall decor with a touch of bohemian flair. Combine upcycled cans with macrame rope to create a stunning hanging wall piece. This project is a beautiful blend of sustainability and artistic expression. Experiment with different macrame patterns and can arrangements to create a truly unique and eye-catching piece. It's a conversation starter that showcases your creativity and commitment to eco-conscious living. Transform ordinary tin cans into a stylish organizer for your desk or craft room. Cover the cans with leftover fabric and trim to create a cohesive and visually appealing storage solution. This project is a fantastic way to use up fabric scraps and add a personal touch to your workspace. Vary the heights of the cans to accommodate different supplies, from pens and pencils to paintbrushes and scissors. This ensures that everything has its place, keeping your workspace organized and inspiring. Bring a touch of greenery to your home with these charming herb planters. Transform tin cans with copper spray paint and chalkboard labels for a sophisticated and functional look. This project is perfect for adding a touch of freshness to your kitchen or balcony. The copper spray paint adds a touch of elegance, while the chalkboard labels allow you to easily identify each herb. It's a stylish and practical way to grow your own herbs and enjoy fresh flavors in your cooking. Add a touch of elegance to your powder room with these DIY storage containers. Keep the lids on the cans and add a small knob for a polished and sophisticated look. These containers are perfect for storing necessities like cotton balls, swabs, and other small items. They can also be used for storing craft supplies and trinkets, adding a touch of organization to any space. This project is a simple and affordable way to elevate your home decor and create a more organized and stylish environment. Keep your garden essentials organized and within reach with this simple storage solution. Keep the labels on veggie cans and use them in the garden to store seed packets and small tools. This project is a practical and eco-friendly way to keep your gardening supplies organized. The labels make it easy to identify the contents of each can, while the sturdy construction ensures that your supplies are protected from the elements. It's a simple and effective way to streamline your gardening routine. Create a warm and inviting atmosphere with these wall-mounted tea light holders. Transform recycled tin cans into decorative accents that cast a soft and shimmering glow. This project is perfect for adding a touch of ambience to any room. Use spray paint and decorative paper to personalize the cans or punch patterns to let the light shimmer through. The possibilities are endless, allowing you to create a truly unique and captivating piece of decor. Create cool and stylish cubbies for storing scarves or other items. Arrange cans on their sides and tie them together with a scarf to create a unique and functional storage solution. This project is perfect for adding a touch of personality to your closet or bedroom. The scarf not only holds the cans together, but also adds a pop of color and texture to the design. It's a creative and affordable way to organize your belongings and add a touch of style to your space. Ready to transform your home with these amazing upcycling ideas? Don't just toss those empty cans, turn them into treasures. Start creating your own unique storage solutions today and share your creations with us. Like this video, subscribe for more DIY inspiration, and leave a comment below telling us which project you're most excited to try. Let's get crafting and make a positive impact on our planet, one can at a time.